Hello, my name is Ari Isaac. I'm a GIS analyst at the Port of San Diego, and today I'd like to go into our web application that we have at the port. Everybody can use it. It's on our internal network, so everybody on our internal network can use it. We have one caveat. Most people at the port are using Internet Explorer 6, and this requires Internet Explorer 7 or 8. If you have Mozilla, this will work with Mozilla or Google Chrome or any of the other comparable browsers. But the way to get there is I'm going to try to hide our internal URLs, but people should be fairly familiar with this page. And you can just click here on the PortGIS link, and this will open the web application. Just to review really quickly, these are our links to other places. These are the contents of the map. Here we have the atlas and the aerials, and these are our tools. Today I'm going to talk about the measure tool. I talked about most of these other tools here because they're basically just seeing what is how to navigate the map. And this is results. I'll be talking about that when I talk about the identify tool. But the first thing that we wanted to talk about with the measure tool is I figured it would be a good place to measure things would be Petco Park. So let's zoom in on Petco Park. Then we can show off our nice half-foot resolution aerials as well. Let's zoom in on the infield. All right. If you're not very familiar with baseball, there's 90 feet between each of the bases. So this way we can show how inaccurate, I guess, this information can be. So here's our measure tool. When you click the measure tool, it pops up this little window. You have points, lines, and polygons, and each gives you different information. I'll go through the points. If you click a point, let's say we're doing where the pitching mound. It gives you the X and the Y coordinate. Now these are not very useful because these are based upon all the data is projected. It uses a projection and a coordinate system that's specific to the San Diego area. That's why when you click on the full extent button and you zoom to the whole world, it's optimized for San Diego's right in the middle. So what it does is it stretches the areas around. Like this wouldn't be an optimum way to look at Africa. So it's optimized for San Diego, and that's the reason why our points that they're giving us aren't very useful. So on the other hand, though, lines and polygons are useful. With the lines, you can click once, you can click again to make a vertice, and then you click again to make another. So it's saying that the line segment, which is the second part, is 0.17 miles, and we're going to change this to feet. It's saying it's 88 feet, this part is 88 feet, and this part is, and altogether it's 177 feet. So it should be 180 feet, so it's off by, this measurement is off by 3 feet. So if our surveyors say that something's a certain length, I wouldn't argue with them. They're going to be a lot more accurate than we are here, but if you're just looking for what's the basic piece of information, then what's the basic area, then this will work well. And you can change this to meters if you want to know how many meters it is. The next step will be polygons. Now what polygons give you are, click once, click twice. Okay, so it looks like what it's given you here is it gives you the perimeter and it gives you the area. So what should the perimeter be? Quick, I've got a little calculator here, so I'm going to cheat. 360. So the whole thing should be 360, the perimeter, feet. Oh, I lost it. Yeah, okay. Let's do it again. One more time. Here to here to here to there. Okay, so there's our square. We want to figure out how many feet the perimeter's in. So it should be 360, and we're getting this. What square miles? It says 0. That's because it's rounding down. Square miles, so we have to change the units. If we change it to square feet, we're at 7,800 and something. So it really should be 8,100. So you can see that it's a little off, but it's useful for just figuring out your real basic information. Anyway, my name is Ari Isaac. I'm a GIS analyst at the Port of San Diego. My phone number is 619-400-4778. My email address is aisaak@portofsandiego.org. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions about this or any other products. Thank you very much. Bye.